Hello guys, we're back for today's video and for today's vlog. Magluluto po kami ng bam-ain pancit canton. Si mama pala ay magluluto. Una, hiniwa ni mama yung karne. Pagkatapos, and then saute in a garlic, in a onion, and then in the pork cube. Mikos-mikos lang. And then put soy sauce. And then season with yan ng isang baldeng tubig. Pag kumulo na, ilagay na yung canton. And then mikos-mikos. Pagkatapos yan, ilagay na yung repolyo.
What?
Pagkatapos yan, mikos. And then sprinkle with spring onion. And then mikos. And then luto na. Take care because I care. Bye-bye, babush.